4, 3, 2, 1, go! 30 long, 3 right, 30, 5 left tightens, and 4 right, and 3 left, into 6 left, and 6 right, don't cut, into K long, 2 left, into long 5 right over crest tightens, and long 6 left, into 5 left and K long 3 right tightens, 70, long 3 left tightens, and long 3 right opens to long 4 tightens to 3. And 2 left. And 6 crest 50, 6 left and long 4 right opens, keep out through gate. And 6 left and long 5 right, into long 3 left, into 6 right over crest, and long 4 right tightens, into 2 left. 30 crest and 4 right, into long 4 right opens, and turn 2 left onto tar, into 6 right 50, turn 2 right, and 2 left opens, 56 left over crest 30, 5 left into long 5 right tightens to turn 2, 70, long 6 left tightens to 5, don't cut, into 6 right 30, turn 2 left, into 4 right over crest, don't cut, and 6 crest into K, 6 right over crest, and 5 left 50, long 6 right tightens to 5, and long 5 left tightens, into K, keep left and open hairpin right, and turn 6 left, 3 left, 70, 6 right over crest into K, 5 right tightens over crest, and 6 left into keep left over jump, 30, 4 right, 30, turn 2 left, and turn 5 right onto gravel, and 6 left into 3 right, into long 6 left tightens over crest, 30, 2 right tightens, and long 3 left, into long 6 right over finish, 50 to stop.